Little Fox. Bat and Friends. Bat's New Friends. Episode 1. Bat looks for a friend. Bat liked the barn. He liked cow and pig and cat. He wanted to play with them. So Bat flew to Cow.
Will you play with me?
He said.
No,
said Cow.
I do not like bats. Please go away.
So Bat left. Bat flew to Pig.
Will you play with me?
Said Bat.
No,
Said Pig.
I do not like bats. Please go away.
So Bat left. Bat flew to Cat.
Will you play with me? No,
Said Cat.
I do not like bats. Please go away.
So Bat left. No one wanted to play with Bat. He was all alone. Bat and Friends. Bat's New Friends. Episode 2. No Luck. Bat was sad. He liked the barn. He liked cow and pig and cat. But they did not like Bat. They did not want to play with him.
If I am a cow,
Said Bat.
cow will play with me. Cow will be my friend. If I am a pig,
Said Bat.
pig will play with me. Pig will be my friend. If I am a cat,
Said Bat.
cat will play with me. Cat will be my friend. I will think and think.
Said Bat.
I will think of a way to be a pig, a cow, or a cat. and soon I will have new friends.
Bat and Friends. Bat's New Friends. Episode 3. A New Home. At last, Bat knew what to do. He flew back to Cow.
I am brown,
Said Bat.
just like you.
Oh,
Said Cow.
then I can be your friend.
Bat flew to Pig.
I like to eat, just like you.
Said Bat.
Oh,
Said Pig.
then I can be your friend.
Bat flew to Cat.
I like to sleep,
Said Bat.
just like you.
Oh,
Said Cat.
then I can be your friend.
Bat was happy. He flew round and round.
I like it here.
He said.
Welcome to the barn.
Said Cow and Cat and Pig. Bat had 3 new friends. Bat had a new home.